Today I am going to discuss what is farce in type of drama. In my last video I have discussed the types of drama that we should study, and we should aware that how many types of drama we have in English literature, and what are the significance, and what are the important plays drama that falls in the different types of drama category. So there is another type of drama, farce. The students are confused that what is this type of drama actually. So let me tell you that farce is a type of drama comedy that uses exaggerated and improbable situations, that means silly situations. It has physical humor, absurdity, and fast paced plot lines to entertain the audience. This type of drama aim is to entertain the audience in a more exaggeration and silly way by presenting the character in a more confusing and absurdism manner. In my last video I gave you the example also that what are the plays that falls in this type of drama actually. So this is the farce. It is often filled with misunderstanding and misidentities and slapstick comedy. It is often filled with mistaken identities, misunderstandings, and slapstick comedy. Slapstick comedy, mistaken identities, that someone who understand themselves to being a somebody else, and misunderstanding between the characters, villain, heroes, or any other the people who are presenting or who are playing the role in the playing the different roles in the drama. And slapstick comedy, that means that the audience must laugh to see the characters doing nonsense things in the play. So this is the type of farce drama. What are the key features of farce drama? Let's see. So the key features of farce drama: ridiculous or exaggerated characters, absurd or unlikely events. Absurdism, you can imagine how in a waiting for Godot by Samuel Beckett, the two characters Vladimir and Estragon presented themselves, where they give us a very serious message of existentialism, and also they how they just keep waiting for somebody that who never comes. So this is the absurd or unlikely events that is not going to happen or not going to. Next, physical comedy often includes satire or social commentary. So this is the key features of farce drama. What are the examples of farce drama? In my last video, I have already told you the examples of farce drama. So the first and the most important, this is the major actually. So the importance of being earnest by Oscar Wilde. Why it is a farce? Why this drama falls in a farce category? It has mistaken identities. Both main characters pretend to be named Ernest. That is why this title significance, that the importance of being Ernest. Ernest is the name of the character. Actually, two characters who tries to prove themselves, or they pretend themselves to that who are the Ernest. Exaggerated upper class manners and social norms, witty dialogues and absurd romantic entanglements. Witty dialogues and absurd romantic entanglements. These are the features of this drama. That is why it has been categorized as farce. Let's see the next example. Charlie's Aunt by Brandon Thomas. Now why it is known as farce? Because a young man who pretends to be someone's wealthy aunt to help his friends. Again, you can see that how the character has been changed their identity to pretend someone. Cross dressing, ridiculous misunderstandings, and quick paced humor. Classic example of Victorian farce. This next example, very famous and Ned's favorite, She Stoops to Conquer by Oliver Goldsmith. She Stoops to Conquer by Oliver Goldsmith. Now let's see why this falls in a farce category. So it falls because characters disguise their social status. comical misunderstandings between lovers and families, witty commentary on class and relationships told through exaggerated humor. There is an exaggeration situation in this play also. That is why this play has been categorized in a farce drama. Next, I have brought a very easy example that the movie Hangover, which is appeared in 2009, is the best example of farce drama. Why? Why this movie falls in farce category? Because this plot revolves around a wildly absurd situation. The character the character wakes up with no memory of the night before and must piece together the chaotic events. That means whatever happened with the in the previous night the characters have forgotten completely, and to get back their memory they have to collect all the pieces and chaotic events to get their memory back. I hope you have all understand that what is farce drama in English literature. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Please do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Until then, prepare well to achieve your dream. You will achieve your dream.